Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Malin+Goetz Moisturizer is probably one of the most talked about skincare products, and for good reason. Today, we're diving deep into this moisturizer, exploring its ingredients, texture, and how it feels on the skin. We'll discuss who it's best suited for, and whether it lives up to the hype. So, if you're curious about achieving hydrated, healthy-looking skin, you're in the right place. Number 5. CeraVe AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion with SPF 30. This product provides broad-spectrum SPF 30 protection with microfine zinc oxide. It is a hydrating facial lotion that spreads easily and absorbs quickly. It leaves a non-greasy finish on your skin. Use this oil-free day cream as the final step in your morning skincare routine. Apply it after your other products have been fully absorbed. This will help protect your skin throughout the day. It contains hyaluronic acid to retain your skin's moisture and niacinamide to help calm your skin. MBE technology delivers hydration throughout the day. This combination helps keep your skin healthy and hydrated. This product is formulated with 3 essential ceramides, 1, 3, 6, 2. Ceramides are naturally found in the skin and help restore and maintain the skin's natural barrier. This helps keep your skin healthy. This product is recommended for daily use by the Skin Cancer Foundation. It is fragrance-free, oil-free, non-comedogenic, and paraben-free. It is suitable for various skin types, including dry, sensitive, oily, and acne-prone skin. What we like. This moisturizer offers broad-spectrum SPF 30, shielding your skin from harmful UV rays. Its oil-free formula is perfect for those with oily or acne-prone skin, ensuring a non-greasy finish. If you're looking for a daily moisturizer with sun protection that won't clog your pores, this is a great choice. What people say. Lightweight and absorbs quickly. Leaves skin feeling soft and hydrated. Great for sensitive skin. Number 4. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer. Are you looking for a daily moisturizer that soothes and hydrates? This is the perfect solution for all skin types. It provides immediate comfort and long-lasting hydration. This moisturizer is formulated with ceramides and niacinamide. These ingredients work together to repair and protect your skin's natural barrier. It leaves your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. Whether you have dry, oily, or sensitive skin, this product is designed for you. It's gentle enough for daily use and helps maintain a healthy complexion. You will love how it feels. Experience instant relief and lasting hydration with this cream. It absorbs quickly and provides all-day moisture. Your skin will thank you for it. This product is fragrance-free, making it ideal for sensitive skin. It's a simple, effective way to keep your skin healthy and hydrated. Try it today and feel the difference. What we like. This moisturizer is formulated with ceramides and niacinamide to repair and soothe your skin. It provides immediate comfort and long-lasting hydration, making it suitable for all skin types. If you have sensitive skin that needs both hydration and barrier repair, this product is worth considering. What people say. Lightweight and absorbs quickly. Leaves skin feeling hydrated. Works well under makeup. Number 3. Honest Beauty Hydrogel Cream. This lightweight water cream provides refreshing hydration without feeling heavy. It leaves a dewy finish and is suitable for daily use, both morning and night. The formula includes jojoba and squalane to lock in moisture. It also features 2 types of hyaluronic acid to hydrate, soften, and firm the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines. It's made with plant-derived ingredients like squalane, known for moisturizing and softening. It also contains jojoba esters and 2 sizes of hyaluronic acid for deep hydration. This product is made without parabens, silicones, petrolatum, mineral oil, synthetic fragrances, and dyes. It's designed to be gentle on your skin. This product is safe for all skin types, including sensitive skin. It's cruelty-free, fragrance-free, vegan, dermatologist-tested, and EWG verified. What we like. This lightweight cream delivers refreshing hydration without feeling heavy. It's infused with hyaluronic acid to plump and hydrate, leaving a dewy finish. If you like a gentle, fragrance-free moisturizer that's perfect for everyday use, you should give it a try. What people say. This cream absorbs quickly and works really well as a daily moisturizer. Face feels moisturized with a glow about it. This moisturizer is so soothing and keeps my skin moisturized all day. Number 2. MALIN+GOETZ Lip Moisturizer. Are your lips feeling dry and uncomfortable? This product is designed to provide instant relief. It's a hydrating gel treatment that will leave your lips feeling soft and moisturized. This lip moisturizer uses a nourishing fatty acid blend. It's a long-lasting solution for dry lips, providing the hydration they need to stay healthy. This product offers long-lasting protection against the elements. It creates a barrier to keep your lips hydrated and comfortable throughout the day. This product is both vegan and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about using it. It's made with high-quality ingredients and is never tested on animals. It comes in 2 options, a no-flavor version and a refreshing mojito flavor. Choose the one that best suits your preference and enjoy the benefits. This compact size is perfect for on-the-go hydration. Keep it in your pocket or purse for easy access whenever your lips need a little extra care. What we like. This lip moisturizer is a hydrating gel treatment designed to protect and nourish your lips. It features a blend of fatty acids for long-lasting protection against dryness. If you're looking for a vegan and cruelty-free lip treatment that keeps your lips soft and supple, this is the one. What people say. Lightweight formula. Absorbs quickly. Leaves skin feeling hydrated. Number 1. Nécessaire the Body Lotion, Santal. This is a multi-peptide body lotion designed for everyone. It helps to moisturize, firm, and strengthen your skin. It absorbs quickly and won't leave you feeling greasy. This lotion is packed with a multi-peptide formula. It works daily to improve your skin's texture. Use it regularly for best results. Formulated with 2.5% niacinamide and rich plant oils, this lotion nourishes and supports your skin's barrier. It's packed with vitamins C and E, plus omegas 6 and 9. Your skin will thank you. Enjoy the warm, woodsy scent of Santal. Pure sandalwood oil is combined with notes of black pepper, iris, and jasmine. It's a truly luxurious experience. This lotion is made without harsh additives. It's free of silicones, parabens, phthalates, and PGs. It's also vegan and dermatologist tested, good for all skin types. This product is dermatologist tested, non-comedogenic, and hypoallergenic. It's designed to be gentle and effective for all skin types. It is a great choice for sensitive skin. What we like. This body lotion is a multi-peptide formula designed to moisturize, firm, and strengthen your skin. It contains 2.5% niacinamide and plant oils for nourishment. If you like a body lotion with a luxurious scent and skin-firming benefits, it's a great choice. What people say. Lightweight and absorbs quickly. Leaves skin feeling hydrated. Great for sensitive skin. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.